Se wo sendi sika akoma wo busuafo from the US to Ghana, use to Lemfi. Ani Lemfi dear, and with the best exchange rate, and you're very secure, and it sounds to you zero transaction fees. So wo use to Lemfi sendi sika akoma wo busuafo, sima kakre bi pe, no munsaka. Kai say referral code je wo screen so. So wo use a wunya 30 USD cashback on your first 100 USD transfer and more. Iti ka ho ko Google Play Store and Apple App Store and download the Lemfi app no ene.
Okocha, 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 Okocha.
Afia. Oh, uncle, na dem eba hanom say wa no open wakuma na say form for everything. I want to make sure say it's not like say be out of say be my per watching and out of baby you want to do this because me more than no can already now I fall in love with you. If you maybe I really love dark skin girls, a tall girl. We are my kind, we are my type. A patrol. And then the man and the two men about near Tibiano or do you will be able to because first time encounter now and the way now see me no near me bahano me bunko to J the kind of words that you use for me, you know, and my me bullshit kaka. Mister, I'm here. Just let me know what it is because right now, no if I catch me in a massa extending me date because now come barely 2 weeks for me to be here. But for near kind, I say me debia now picture them come as you say. Into me patrol. I'm here, so let me know what it is.
Oba for nana, okay, nana me just me. What me oba? And your kind nana me read which. Ese me steady una me share say once me no bet na nebe boa me ana say. And right now no me ni obi a. Sna ese me nya be ma kama me so me de me ni to for me won so yi ne papa. Me de wo ka me ho a e betimi abobra no. Am na yi. Nti me anka sa na me se mate ase enye na da.
Afia obia u guy na won ne wo no be or you something that you don't want to take it and I say something I say a push you off and anything I'm more accept here now. No, what they can crib you woman behind.
No cry me woman na say. Me anka sa na me se mate ase am.
It's that me say you want to be my empress. You want me to be your king.
Yes.
If you're listening. Love is a very, very strong word. People do misuse it. But hey, I've made the vow never to misuse the word love. That's what I say. And so share Bible because for God so loved the word, the underlying word is love. Nyanko pondo we are seno. And you know you need to buy the mind.
Under me mom.
It's Mr. Just be permanent part of me. And I'm gonna make you proud. It's not like say me those sebi abroche for na ebi mo ba na mo di adwene wa ware no abase no I ain't like that. I'm being rare and I want you. Come here. Thanks for being in my life, okay?
You're welcome.
You're so special and wonderful. Afia Papa B. What me say, you know we need na elder kind. You see right now no. Ya babe you know so what you say. You are more than the word sweet. ma make so many mistakes. We are saying on trouble. See, one maybe man couldn't do so. I say, but say me ya DB. I said the bed in bed. But you get it. Concerning warfare, yeah. I say right now, no case, no Stunna, and self fraud. Right now, I may be family because if you are someone worry, I mean, be a worry any be you know. I have to make sure, say, me cancel case, you know. Trust me.
Really? Oh, thank you so
Come here,
much.
come here.
Oh.
Me my cancel case because the internet me bufu baby. Me dey down there. How much is £30,000? Within a week, you know, scamming is almost £150,000 within a week. You know, so to say. And you know, right now, no, maybe I could cancel case. And the number is because of me buying number in now. None said enough account. And some I made disrespect you now, but I promise you, say I have to cancel it for us. Said the baby PPI be fine, mine and then enjoy that.
Okay. So, firstly, I'm going to say thank you. Remember, if I'm not doing it, but I'm making you know, say, that was so I'm sure that our mama saw. I'll be cancel case no because I they are obey busi no. So me for me new be on wape. So me share say obeka ko dem. It's no be cancel case na mama. Me can say thank you so much.
Thank you too for accepting me. So that say Afia say Mama, me date me my standing no. Yeah, me found 3 months because company me am a company. And then one is my supervisor, me no my share. And the ashes can actually don't worry. I'm making sure so because me stay hand me is me trying to pay fee be na yato. Na just say boy me win so that say na be a hand more sister no ko so off and so na because baby caught him. I don't like it.
I don't know there say Emyjay fear am because I say me for the fear means me Janessa. It's no person bet na bet me am in na say.
No, I mean to feel me patrol. Mo say fee bi o I want to know what is $500,000. So don't worry, I'll just press you to
If he insists.
I'm missing you. I'm missing you. I'm missing you.
I saw no.
Of our men.
Sentinel when you breathe.
Oh, so what I say. We are saying penforcing with your door,
anyone. We are saying,
and the Bible says, who he will find a good wife finds everything.
Everything.
That's what I say. I am a treasure.
treasure.
You are the treasure that I see. We try to money now.
Yes, those are Jimmy and Jimmy now. What have you fairly?
That's what
Let me the cast and go in.
Because I see.
May they cast and kick it. Any prayer be pre-fear or before Hoko Benina. As soon as you true, I put the food in a baby.
Normal. Maybe I say a baby.
Oh, baby, I need to say.
And then I say, wait here. The main reason I'm missing for this meeting is in back and forth and the case and that one of a treasure or domain or permanent. Though you may be na Ypee, but it's normal. Be our one so of a cancer me breach. I should hold on. Be go on smoothly.
We can hold on. Uber first the Grammy
catch him. Say I should hold
on. Say Russian mark when you feel na grano. Maybe I will rush benefit. Na the move. We catch you na.
Ofa. I mean she say bi maba obusuam na still na me no ebeye manson bi obi on. And you know, I told my wife here say case na one me person me cancel bi whatever it is, you know, the scam I spend whatever no chicken change there the man.
I say we cried in the so can ask friends are too many. I say case we need to say when you are querying gas what's that?
Oh, I said they won't say I could be buying some.
And you
it's me person busuan share wa ni na nya the understanding. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
I say me said as a show.
Oh, that
was our material there.
Thank you.
And then you down and
Did you come to me? Was say, I'm a hawk and I'm a true. We are saying, say, and 2 years, which me too, and you never saw a valuable. A piano for so yes, eh? Some Antonia of a bay, and I said you will be generous, there will be $5 billion this year. See, young Tony Pa. My sister, we are saying, we are there, we are saying, over 20, over phone, over solid. In a cab, 1 year day.
For sure,
so, you know, the mechanism dancing, say, our dream who knows it. Abama near Fatami. Now we chum. Now, him crumpun, Cassibia, make us give you a child, the Canca.
For sure.
You
shouldn't be spitting this year because I always say I have to compensate you. Yeah, cost Nana. Maybe I was saying because me a dime bill or the band side on almost better $300,000 or $400,000.
A dime be them.
That be there was a mean to me stay with Hammond, me part 20. I have to buy a Diana.
Oh, mom,
now baby, I also so me prefers and go between for at least 3-bedroom apartment be there.
There's a single.
Single Abua.
No, find
so Suban said, I don't buy and also yes, I come in man.
We so back an hour.
What's a maker?
Say, be good and care coconut.
I said, we cried here, Mimpo dear, Hatran, Groom Hatran, Grana, Kumasatran, and Salmon. Oh,
okay.
I can take him Kohalan.
Oh, worry not.
Also high.
No. And the man
asking to me high. My father,
Jamaica.
Be a home,
no, for our passport.
Oh no, me patrol visa. It's not any send me cost. I cost about 3,000 euros or 4,000 euros. Now I'm clearly. Remember, could you like 6 months view on man? I said that's what they say. Maybe your age doing no permanent me age maybe.
Now we won't quite go away. And you won't know.
Let me hold it. Or a strong part. No,
somebody we are too cool.
Now they went near with their queen.
When you want him now, have a few about
buy a chrome on my side.
How chrome or not yet?
Me could citizenship card in it.
I said the boy I can neighbor.
No offer.
Fifi I obey any or
me 2 passport, yeah. And me back and I'm there.
The passport to do to me feel Obia from.
Thank you once again. Thank you. I appreciate it.
We should not me say me 20 kb.
Okay.
Because I idea a BC Ghana had that and would be answering Yepee. Helicopter at Yeboah. The traffic business anchor. Was like a helicopter.
Na aim for parking place in Bay.
Helicopter. As we are talking about me, packet. It's so dumb. Medibiano.
All the mammy petrol to me.
Only 20 p. Said out
£1 million pounds be there fine. Oh, they be and to conclude everything, no, Yamia don't much now, Wadaroma. Yena, call me and question sign me and the case in Banam future Bibian cancer. But Wadaroma, Mr. will be a foot. It's not everybody I'll be decide you will be fun as well. A baby, or you want to bet you what to baby be sing. But for what you have done, and you first no one at Chemicane. But me patchuma win your last. So I say, Bibiasunia, I'm in support of you. I am myself.
I see no Michelle, on two. Any assume
Mate.
Na the woman said, they say your honor. Traffic in it, just catch a helicopter. It's more for you.
Me who be done, Patrick. Now say UK crime TV, the America crime.
Helicopter you, no, me who be done. You are me, couldn't be America for I said, I can't so. Mammy from
purchases card
me bonus some 30k be some fun to them. My memo 30,000. To my memo 5,000 be rather when they be near at a minute. Yeah. Yes, I so they
I see I'm cutting my handy minute face down and I'm chewing the
there be say
honey can 150 minutes. I
say one mabudo. Come here. Thank you.
Do you care for any drinks or whatever?
Oh, we're okay with that.
Right.
Oh, officer. Oh, I'm fine. Okay.
I am Niajete. Yeah, and this is a police officer.
Sergeant Japan.
Yeah, from the Criminal Investigative Department.
We're not expecting the police in our house, so can you
Exactly.
be straight?
Yeah. It's all about an issue that confronted me a couple of months ago.
All right.
I went to my site to have a look at how far my project was going on.
Okay.
And on my return, I saw a young guy lying on his face, flat, in front of a new building. The place was a bit quiet during that period. So I stopped, went to see who the guy was, yes. When I approached him, I saw that he has been shot, and there was a pistol lying beside him, excuse me.
Right.
Yeah, so like I was saying, I went by to see if perhaps there were some assailants who had shot him. I looked around and there wasn't anyone. So, being a humanitarian, I just took him into my car and then sent him to the hospital.
Okay.
Yeah. He was detained there for about a couple of days and he was discharged. I took him to my house and took good care of him.
Okay.
He was a bit okay. I asked him of his whereabouts or where he is coming from. He told me he doesn't have anybody. So I said, are you sure?
Like he's homeless?
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. And so what happened? He said he doesn't know. Some people attacked him and then shot him. And all that he could see now is having him in my house. Upon this interrogation, I could see that he might be hiding something from me.
Okay.
So I went and I reported to the police and he said, it's taking me a long time to do so because I should have reported soon as I saw him before I took him to the hospital. I said, well, I was thinking about his
Good
health.
Samaritan.
Yes. Good Samaritan as I was. So I've been taking care of him for some days, and one day I went out and I came in, he wasn't around. It was a shock to me. So like I said, I let the police know and they said, good, then they will have an investigation into that. Lo and behold, the commander provided this man,
Okay.
the sergeant, went to the location or the premises. There wasn't anybody to
Ask.
ask. Fortunately, on a second visitation, we saw a gentleman. He said he doesn't know anything about that. Lo and behold, we saw a number written boldly on one of the walls.
The uncompleted building.
Yes. The sergeant took the number.
Okay.
We called, and fortunately, one of you responded. So we scheduled that today we'll come and then we'll see you. If indeed you know this gentleman in question.
Do you have an image of him?
A picture
But
of someone.
first and foremost, do you have any clue about someone being shot at your premises?
We
Are you
don't
sure?
have- No.
Okay, as you rightly ask.
And I want to ask this question. According to the CSI, which is the Crime Scene Investigations,
Okay.
it was saying that according to how the scene was, and with regards to the gentleman we met,
Okay.
he being a helpful person to us in this investigations, we were able to reach you. And then we want to ask you, as to whether you have not heard about any rumors regarding the missing of this gentleman or any death or whatsoever.
No, I've never come across any news like that.
All right.
Yeah.
So this is his picture.
Okocha. Jesus. He used to work here actually for some couple of months. He's been missing, but we don't know the actual thing that happens to him. So we even reported to the police that there's a couple of, a criminal inside our house. He was sent by my sister to take a huge sum of money to the bank. Afterwards, no, we haven't heard about him for a couple of some months. Yes.
This is very fishy.
And what has the police been saying about your report to him concerning?
They're on the case. Actually, we've been going there every day to check how the case is going. But each and every day they'll be telling us we should take our time. We're gonna find him. So we are also waiting patiently. Sorry.
You know, the issue is very delicate. So regarding the investigations of the matter, we have to take some time because this, even we knowing the place right now, it can help in making our investigations very smooth for us. So we will need one of you, or we will probably go to the station. I'll get the commander involved so that we know how to take the next step.
Excuse me, where was the location you found his body?
Well, we found the body at
Akasumanso.
That's my property.
Uncompleted building, right?
Yes.
Actually, he's my boyfriend, and I sent him with some money to the bank. From then, I haven't heard from him again.
Oh, really?
For real.
Can you please forget about this boyfriend?
He told me he doesn't have anybody in his life.
Yes.
No relative.
He used to work here.
I'm staying in this same house with him.
Okay, officer, so what's the remedy to it? Since
all right, so right now, what we have to do to continue with the investigation, because like I said earlier, it is a delicate issue that we have to take our time to look for his whereabouts. Now, we will have to report back to the station and then get the commander involved with regards to everything that we've come to talk about here, so that he issues us our next move.
So it's right going to be a fresh investigation, like a fresh report.
Yes.
What about the old ones that we did?
With the old ones, since we are the ones taking charge of this case, yes, as Mr. JT has come to inform us, we will go back to the commander so that he is supposed to assign us to certain duties regarding these investigations.
So can we go with you guys now?
We will talk to our commander first.
Okay.
Then we will revert back to you.
Of our commander, we want
Dear Sama.
Of a way, dear, never Biana. And right, your hand saying a papa, your friend Mr. Nine, see, I didn't buy. No, so Okocha and land be what as a man, so your baby I shan't tell complete a land you mean. Oya no musa branti bi da form one or copy cane in Niger, or then a hospital no go treating or then a fee. Na branti a journey. So no do call police for one or call report say mom say me say no way day. A police for say he found an incident in the sea. What you almost at as a man, so no more cautious share was say be a company any evidence beer. A be na shooting and I say beer on your robin and a bibisa. So when na one who numbers be say or down on or mo frame say if you aso na be see me no ka bibisa achem but my fa margin an day man na che so omo ye omo tracy an omo hu fia no say omo ba ye na ebuso omo say ne mo ka bibisa de na chire mo twa nipa kro ni photo anase bibisa no say ai ye hwe na che say yo Okocha ena da papa ne phone ne so ti ofa eye me won wa che say me hu de me nka bio
eno no okope de o
na me nim no search no
over man kan just me discuss man so on bank o wi on ko check ade o land me so mam e na man ante me nka bio no
e na ono no obi adi sika asoma no e na okope de o asase no so
me so de ko bank wi na ko check ade ama me na say one
person almost there
Wajani, say no more tracy and no mobile no baby son, and say the name near Juma Wofiana, Miss Sister Maniska, some fan call bang go few on my own corner London. If you are in Kebu, there's some man's me.
Ain't you know, I put the fun as a for
CID, any papa na, or so a dying baby, I shan't tell dying.
No man can the property, no.
And I saw treating you and uncle by baby sips and a question will coach us over a journey. But mo call Hono Sako check here London soon. No, send number be warning where if your number.
I said, once I make a bottle of crumb for.
Oh, yeah, of us, boy, is kind not as any of our dinner while the music.
1 year crumb for.
Oh, you're crumb for me, and Miss
Obi on your crumb for, and I will be a woo as a cleaner. Why never tell what so no being in common, why I never could chase and as well could chase up against the fluency. I
for me, me can you won't switch.
So no crumb for as a matter.
That's the problem.
Why crumb for automatically?
Ofa, any crack say. Omo can say omo be free because just omo dey asem come commander. Omo free ya na yakọ ho no na chese. Dey wo ye num dia yeso ya ka ache omo nti. Dey aye dey this of
no.
11 for year, 11 for this month year, 11 year.
Now she we enim ye.
Yeah, 11 for him say see Saturday, yeah. This is Saturday.
Eh me cross konso crash pa.
Our first and do betimi forget all the
me as me ko man so aba mu. Na ano ade ntu sisi wo nti no na ma anye de ehia me.
For yes I made you mu ya pa because if you was dey ama wo ene ya twa wo case mama.
Asema me ka se bia me ni case na chi wo. Ye me ka se man so aba me ko so me ko. Na me no mo ko sensa pese bi na ma ko sa 11 funa. Omudi kan ko to me medi for no.
Asemi medi akone aba wa hwe de atom na nyame adom obi anya ho hints na kwaja me police station wo ko wakura ho hwe ko Abraham ye de open na ama wo
11 for me ko ame na wo me sa return nti mo de mo go police station won mra
o ba return time ba anwumre na anwumre na mo se mra
anopa na do
apos ombo mi di se me mra na
Oma mo wudin om do ma beka oma sem ba se ya man ye nkwanye ntimi nkodi case na chi just o ka hu bi na UK boga nso aka nyina yakọ because say ehwe man na ayebusu ni UK boga onye busu
police station okono na ase mi omucho mi case ni mo ati mbesa se me no mo kwa ba ye yo
obi ani issue wo no ye nko because
Abena so hu
wo ye efi obekọ wo de mianu men conclude
me ye ne de man de won se duru me de so de
na wo ye yesu ye papa be
ene de sa na wo kan
de me na wo dia ye kasa wo nti se wo ti wo hwe wo fase ya nchimi ntuma hwe me nchimi ntuma
yesi wo yi obi free nsuom ne ho wo na wo
na wo yi na free nsuom ne ho wo
ofa wo troli
Emi troli wo de ka manum ti se de asa de waye bibi a ti so bi ama bibi hu bi
ofa mo police for beso na wusu yakotwa case ni mama wo de ye fe na
eba mi di mu die no anya na se wo de boga itia o ma fa afuru nyina
fasende mpinatwe mu nhira
obeka se bia wo ya ama me betire bia wo ya ama ho ba onim wati timi de me ko class 11 fo no tu de mon komra de be se bia nso mo maso nti se bia mo ko ye no se why
of all yes ade wanya ade to be wanya ade
na wona uje usika ira na
me enese me niano no de so ma sin
onu party ase kwa asa wo yin se machipa
o de ofa mate why me ka bibi se abeka se mimu ade
enti no afi abekwa aba why se case ni de se 11 fo mo kwa case ni ntwem e wo ko sa enti me ko ba me so na me so mo de mo abegim afi de hu bia ka afiro why
your father ya to betimi akọ why
matete ne beko
ya banko
na menyina na makosi mi fia na
of anya den
menyina
sika de wahu ka
se be faka
na mo de yenko de asusu ko class akohwe ko se koko na yesika
Abena me kwa
koko na yesika
o koda
na kwa anya den
ese o da fu yesu excuse ma
of de pie ni ntu ye gate mu why
abrawo pa me
wo ye panimu oye ni paboni ni pofa me de mani why on so go peso bi be wubu
me bi ni paboni ni
wo ye ni paboni ni ofa ade wo ye
so kete panyin so ye paboni ni o di panyin kratem
mente me nkwa na so ya bre ofa me de we mesia da Afia pan ne boy atena Yakotwa wo case mama edu ye de nko aso a wo person obalo
na wo case su yo ba me case na case I don't think case say
ya da na ye mo hyehye ya chi ofa to na nimguase kai ni abe you see enye case
ana because me case na case ba mo case case ke to
we dey vamoose you want to lock our door am robbers by ya hanum say nti we dey economy tupu no won kon so dia me ra me
mami ye mam lorry fe na
me ma lorry fe tu na fa ko
Abena
papa later behind